So I'm John, I'm a service technician here. I'm going to be taking you through a tour today. I hope you enjoy the tour.
Yeah, Mez is very much a family-owned business. Started by my uncle. My father got involved. My father then ran it for many years. I transitioned to a heating and air conditioning company through the years. My mother, Rita, she's here every day, here morning till night. In fact, we joke that every night before we leave, we have to go ask her to go home.
And what exactly do you do?
Well, I post some of the invoices, which these are service calls. I post them and I take care of the payments as they come in and make the daily deposits.
Hi, my name is Scott Puller. I'm the Director of Human Resources for Maz Mechanical Services and also do environmental health and safety guidance for the whole company. What we're trying to do as a company, every company has a culture, and we are trying to look at employees from the point of from hire to retire. So we want to say, okay, what do you need to do along your entire career path in order to have a long career here at Maz Mechanical Services?
I'm an estimator. I've been here for about 35 years. Most of my job right now is just estimating what's called plan and spec projects, which means a company, whether it's a school or an industry or nursing home, hospital, whatever, sends us a set of drawings and a book of specifications. And we have to bid the job according to those drawings and specifications.
So here in the shop, most of the stuff starts here at our plasma table, where it's going to burn out all our individual pieces that we will be fabricating into numbers.
So what's your favorite part about your job?
I think my favorite part is working hands-on and kind of standing back and seeing what you built and always learning something new.